have our Marine Shine and Shield ceramic spray, and this is our new formula that includes 42% active ingredient, which is one of the highest on the market. This is allowing us to fill the pores and properly give you that length of protection and durability for the marine market. This product is going to make the surface super hydrophobic and very slick and add a lot of gloss. It's a very simple spray on, wipe off application. And this can also be used as a maintenance product for the marine ceramic coating. It's important to note that this product does not remove oxidization, so the surface does need to be properly buffed and prepped before applying the coating.